You're receiving the CyberStreams system update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, debunking the passkey panic. Your logins are safe. Ever heard of passkeys? They're the next big thing in secure logins, replacing passwords with something tougher to crack. Recently, the internet was abuzz asking, are passkeys flawed? I dug into this noise and the research and want to set the record straight for our clients. From law firms to private universities and from nonprofits to manufacturers, the TLDR, this was less a crisis and more a hiccup. Passkeys, built on FIDO or Fast Identity Online standards, promise ironclad authentication. Think biometric logins synced across devices. When researcher Master Splinter flagged this vulnerability, heads turned. It's an account takeover trick tied to mobile browsers like Chrome, Edge, Safari, and Firefox. During the passkey workflow, browsers received a special link which, if clicked, could redirect to a rogue site mimicking a legit login. Tricky, right? But it wasn't a passkey flaw, it was a navigation mistake in the browsers. Picture a phishing email hitting your law firm staff or nonprofit's donors, redirecting to the real login page they were expecting, only to log the bad guys into their account as well, and without anyone knowing. The good news is, it's been fixed. All major browsers patched this vulnerability in the last few months. Businesses like yours, handling client contracts, student data, donor records, and production plans, depend heavily on mobile devices. The 2024 Verizon DBIR states that 60% of breaches involve stolen credentials, and mobile is a hot target. This vulnerability could have been a goldmine for attackers, especially with remote work up 44% since 2020 according to Gallup. But the fix was quick and easy, and passkeys are back to being a rock-solid upgrade over passwords. Still, it's a reminder that even cutting-edge tech needs vigilance, and that's where CyberStreams shines, keeping your legal team's docs, universities' grades, and factories' specs safe. We caught onto this story in the wake of a news media meltdown admonishing passkeys, and that's why we're staying on top of this for you. Passkeys are very likely the future, or at least a big part of it. Gartner says 50% of orgs will adopt them by 2027, but glitches happen. Our job is to spot risks, implement mitigations, and keep your SMB focused on its core function. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, get a third-party perspective. Have someone outside your IT team review your IT systems, policies, and procedures to provide you with insight on where there may be room for improvement. Second, train on phishing. Regularly test users on their tendency to spot or click phishing emails. Provide real-time feedback to help them improve. Spotting fake links keeps your team sharp. And third, plan the switch. Curious about passkeys? Map a rollout to ditch passwords for M365 and more. Start small. Pilot passkeys on power users' accounts to work out any kinks and get familiar with the new workflows. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your CyberFit score using our proprietary CyberFit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStreams system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.